Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody stand in your way.
Alrighty, what do we have here? This is leftover chili. It's a baby. If you want to know how I made that, there's a recipe. There's several. I think I've got 3 of them, and I'll share the links. These are corn chips. I'm not messing around today. They're organic corn chip dippers from Trader Joe's, and this cheese is a shredded cheese blend. You can see it right there. That's a salsa. Salsa. I just like saying salsa. Remember the Jerry Seinfeld episode? Mike Foster here. How you guys doing? Simple, fast and easy recipe. My simple recipes, people like them because they're simple. They're easy to make. This is chili and corn chips. Check out how easy. Yeah, I'm going to use the microwave. What you do is you start off with the chips. Oh, that doesn't take a genius to figure that one out, Mike. Then you take that chili and you pop it on. This is made with beans. It's actually made with turkey, ground turkey instead of ground beef. Put that baby on. All right, I like that one. And guess what? You top it off with the cheese. You're like, Mike, what about the salsa? Oh, patience, patience, patience. I'm gonna go in the microwave. We're gonna give this a good nuke for 40 seconds, and then we'll go from there. All right, it actually took 1 minute and 40 seconds. And then you put the salsa on top, like thus. There's your close-up. Big bite coming up. There it is. Look at it. It's nice and hot. It looks good. Chili and chips. Okay, here's the first bite. Is that too hot to bite? Well, we're gonna find out the hard way. Ah, crunchy. Coolness from the salsa. The cold salsa, with a little heat, cools down the fact that this plate is burning my finger. We'll try another bite right here. The chili's good. Beans, meat, tomatoes, a little spice. Good crunch. Cheese is melting just right. You could eat this as maybe a dip, pick them up, but another great simple recipe. I think you should tell people about it. Live Life 365 at my YouTube channel. Don't mess that in peace.
Live life 365.
Okay, don't be critical of yourself. As much as you want. Take a bite. And this leftover salsa, you see it right here? You eat it. Excuse me. Hold on. This is how accidents happen. Alright. That's what I'm talking about. Okay. Put that down, no one gets hurt. Sweet babu. That one was hot. Oh my goodness. Baba. No. I'm like, Mike, it's dark. What dark is? Why are you filming so late? Because I have to work full time. And look at, you can see the time right there. 6:45. So don't worry about it.